Meow. So I just want to show you how I tend to sketch in tabby stripes. Love starting with that characteristic M on the forehead. And the biggest thing that I keep in mind when I'm drawing tabby stripes is we need to follow the curvature and the corners of the head, the roundness and the muscle structure of the head. So we're shaping that head while we're making the tabby stripes, and it can go a long way toward making the cat look convincingly like a cat. So we have a cat drawing Facebook group, and you will find the link for that group in the comments, and we'd be happy for you to join us. It's a lovely community of people that love to draw cats. So again, always being sure I'm following the curvature of the head, and it's easy to overdo it. I like to not put in every stripe and not every stripe completely. I want some room for light to come in. And I think really carefully about what stripes I'm going to include, because you can kind of overdo it and make the drawing too busy, and then the eye doesn't know where to look. Because if you look at any cat, especially in the sunlight, you'll see that due to the lighting, often you don't see every stripe, or you don't see the whole stripe as a dark part. There'll be highlights on it too, and that's where I would kind of, leave some white areas just to show that maybe that's where the sun's hitting it. So again, I'm going around the curvature of this leg and hip. And the tail. We don't see a whole lot of the tail. I just want to be cautious putting these ones in. You notice I'm missing some spots, and this is just basically sketched in stripes, and more than anything I want this tutorial to give you the idea of how to place the stripes. You can take it whatever direction you want. You can do more caricature drawings, or you can use it as a guide to draw stripes on your realistic drawings and make them more realistic, I guess. Notice I'm going around the curve of that arm there. And I really like getting those two lines coming down under either side of the head. It kind of, helps draw the eye into the center of the drawing. And if you love to draw cats, be sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications. There's lots more videos coming up, and please leave a comment and let me know what you most want to learn about drawing cats. I'd love to hear from you, and that's where I get my ideas for my videos. And if you don't know what you really want to learn, if you just want to learn everything, I always love to hear about your cat or where you are in the world. Just drop us a note. Now I'm kind of getting a little bit of jaggy lines to kind of give the hint that there actually is hair there. And the reason I start with the straighter lines is because I find it easier to follow the curve that way than when I'm focusing on just giving hints of fur. Notice that I'm making them darker in some spots. They fade away in other spots. You know, it's all about the composition and also about allowing some light to come in. You know, those lighter areas are where the sun is hitting Kitty. Get a few ear hairs in there too. And we're going beyond tabby stripes here too, but I might as well kind of finish up this little sketch for you too. Those lines above the eyes really help add expression. I just love this little kitty. It looks so content and attentive. Easy does it on the whiskers. It's easy to weigh that face down with too many whiskers. It's looking all right. And the kind of things I'm showing you here really are the bones of drawing. And I love that unfinished look, the sketchy look myself. I used to be a total photorealist, and it's been so freeing to move away from that. It's expression is what it's about for me. My aim when I draw my cats is to capture character and soul. I'm not worried about every little detail. I'm just picking out what's important. And there's the link to our Facebook group if you want to join our cat art workshop. If you're serious about drawing cats, if you really want to learn, then that's the place to be. You'll also find the link in the description of this video. I think I'm going to end this little sketch pretty quick here. So thank you so much for joining us, and I hope to see you next time.